Forgot to record most of this, but this is where we're at. We're about to get ready to tape it up and put it in the booth. Or I should say we already have it taped. Fucking idiot. But have it all back taped. We're gonna go ahead and throw it in the booth, get it bagged, then we're gonna start getting ready for paint. Okay, yes, we already got the car bagged. Everything's taped up. We're gonna go ahead and bring all the other parts in, such as the hood, fenders, mirror caps, etc. We're gonna set them up in this booth, and the booth next to us, and go ahead and start getting everything prepped for paint. What's going on, everybody? I hope you're having a great day today. We're gonna start painting everything. I already went ahead and started painting some stuff, but I forgot to update you on that because I got a little sidetracked. But you get the bottom of the hood painted. There's really nowhere to hang the hood on a stand or anything, so you kind of have to do it separately. We got side scoops painted, fuel door painted, and the trunk painted. Now we're gonna start on the spoiler, mirror caps, door handles, etc. All the small things. All that we have left is the rockers, fenders, I should say, doors, and the car itself. So we'll go ahead and get everything taped up, and I'll show you the process throughout it. Alright guys, so we went ahead and got everything taped up. Here's the spoiler, all taped up. Mirror caps, door handles, and the hinge. Hinge I'm not too worried about. Main pieces are handles, mirror caps, and spoiler. So we'll go ahead and put sealer on this. Before we put sealer, we'll go ahead and clean them up, put sealer, throw base on it, put a pearl on it, and go ahead and clear coat it too, so we'll keep you updated throughout that. ahead and got our base coat laid down on all our parts. Now we got our pearl mix. So we're gonna go ahead and lay down some coats and get to it. Now we got all our base and our pearl laid down. You can't see because there's no light shining on it right now, but we'll go ahead and lay our clear down. We're gonna put 3 coats on, so later on we can wet sand it and give it that pristine finish. So we're gonna go ahead and get this laid down, and I'll be right back with you. That's where we're at so far. We got second load in. We got front bumper, rockers, and the rear bumper. Went ahead and got the base coat, and we are on that was our 4th coat of pearl. So we got 3 more coats to do. Then we'll go ahead and shoot clear on this and get this all wrapped up. All right, here's an update for you. I forgot to update you, but we did get the car in here. Car is bagged, and we're on this will be our 3rd coat of pearl. We already got our base down white here in the gun, but we're gonna try to knock this out pretty quickly, and I'll try to update you when I can if I don't forget this time. All right, guys, sort of an update. We got first coat of clear laid. We got 2 more to go. We just want to have enough to be able to wet sand it and get that smooth, nice finish without any texturing or anything like that. So I'll try to keep you updated. All right, guys, I'm sorry about the updating process. I'm kind of trying to stay focused on this, but we got both doors, fenders, and the bumper. I got to redo the bumper. It ended up having issues on it, but we got our first coat of clear down on everything. We're gonna let that cure for a little bit, and we'll throw on our 2nd coat, but you can kind of see it right there. We have a little bit of cracking through the paint from all the solvent pop coming out. And we got a little bit on this side too, and we got some pinholes for some reason, so we're gonna have to get that fixed. But other than that, everything's turning out good so far. A 10, so don't quote me on that, but I'll attempt to keep it all updated this time. Yes, well, we're waiting on other things to finish up and cure all the way. We're gonna go ahead and wet sand this. So far I've already 1500, 2000 with a block, and I went over 3000 with a DA. Right now we're about to start buffing it. As you can see, smooth as butter. Here's where we're at. I'm really bad at updating, but doors are on, fenders are on, hood's on, spoiler, side scoops, all the trim. About to throw the bumper on, got the diffuser in, went ahead and trimmed black. That make it a little bit nicer. We got the map lights in here. We're gonna go ahead and install the new carbon fiber license plates around, because I do not like the RTR one. Personally, it looks like a bucket of shit. Like that trash can in the bumper, horrible. But we're about to see if I need to go ahead and cut the little foam piece for the stock bumper support to make this bumper not sag, but we're gonna go ahead and throw it on here and see what it looks like. Here we are in the last parts. We got the rockers primed, bumper primed, and then we already painted these, but we kept having lifting problems with the solvent. Went ahead and primed them, gonna redo them, and we're gonna go ahead and finish putting up the car together. Excited. All right, so this was kind of an impulsive decision, but the last thing I had to paint was the roof, and I decided to go ahead and try something different. I'm not a big fan of black roofs, but dude, honestly, this might have changed my mind. So you can't see it now, but you know what? Let's grab the light and we'll change your mind real quick. So what I did was take the rest of the pearl I had, because I wasn't gonna have enough to spray the roof white, so I decided to go ahead and try this. But I did have enough to throw 1 coat of my pearl on there. And dude, see how it's just all black, right? Oh, I don't know how well you can see that on camera, but dude, that is amazing. Like, this is perfect to match my color once the pearl flows from the white to the black. Oh my. But yeah, this is the update where we're at. We did get the bumper sprayed. I don't know if I did show y'all or not, but bumper, you can kind of see it. Rockers are right under it, but we did go ahead and get both of those sprayed. So we are almost done. We just got to put the door back on. Yeah, I showed y'all the progress. So, oh shit, I'm gonna switch hands. So we got side screws back on. We still got to put the quarter glass on, antenna, GPS, spoiler, entire rear bumper, my striker lights. All right. 2500 diffuser, carbon deck lid, carbon surround. Ooh. We do got some more goodies for the front bumper. I mean, you can kind of guess what it is now, but we got the door on. We don't have the door panel on yet, but we are pretty much ready to throw it on. I just gotta retape the vapor shield inside the door. If you don't know what that is, obviously it keeps vapor out. Obviously the fucking name. But yeah, pretty much gonna throw the front bumper rockers on and the other door on. Hey, this project's done, boys. Okay, so we're here putting front bumper on. Went ahead and got our SW lights put in with our integrated turn signals. We got one side, don't mind the opposite side, I'm just testing right now, but we do got the other one hooked up, making sure my turn signals work. And we're gonna go ahead, I already got all the wires ran under here, nice and tucked, all hooked up. We'll tuck that later, but we'll get the bumper on and get that to work. Almost done. Finally put the California Special stickers back on. All we have left is to put the fenders liners on. As you can see, it's a little naked under there. But yeah, man. She's 90% of the way done.